That dude over there, girl over there's a red-shouldered hawk. The red-shouldered hawk's scientific name is Buteoleonatus. Average lifespan is 20 years, the oldest documented wild individual being 25 years. Looming threats: deforestation removes large swaths of habitat, forcing too many individuals into a small area. Food shortages and territory disputes ensure. These guys live in the wet habitat. Their habitat is wet forest, and they're carnivores and eat things like birds and small mammals. These guys nest in trees. Red-shouldered hawks primarily stay in forest with ample water sources, though they can sometimes be spotted in heavily wooded suburban areas. These birds are very territorial and will attack threats that intrude, including other raptors. They tend to roost the same nest from previous breeding years, doing a little sprucing up as needed. Red-shouldered hawks are buteos, which is a group of hawks that have broad wings and short tails made for soaring. Though members of the buteo genus, red-shouldered hawks are quite agile and can fly throughout forests below the canopy. Like members of the Accipiter genus, accipiters have shorter or tighter wings and a rudder-like tail made for steering them around trees and other obstacles in flight.